Morning children. Now I'm going to start about the 4th standard maths revision. So you have to write down everything in your classwork, copy down everything. First we'll chart it as choose the correct answer. So in this I'll write the answer also, and match also I will write. For everything I'll write along with answer. So go through this and copy down perfectly in your classwork children. From this only we are going to give it for the coming examination. So first one we have to write, choose the correct answer. So take down your classwork and write down everything with answer. I am writing, underline the answer with your pencil. Choose the correct answer. First one is 6000 milliliter, that is equal to dash. So that is 6 liter. Option is 6 liter, 60 liters, and C is 600 liters. So you know to choose how to write this. Dash days make fortnight. Dash days makes fortnight. So 14 days makes fortnight. So 14 and 24 and C is 12. And the third one is 500 milliliter plus 500 milliliter, that is equal to 1000 milliliter. So milliliter na 1000 எழுதுங்க, liter னு கேட்டா 1 liter எழுதுங்க. Okay, so 1500, 1000 and C is 500. And the fourth one, 33 is rounded off to the nearest tens is 30. So you can write 40, 33, 8 liter plus 6 milliliter is equal to dash. That is 8006 milliliter. This is the answer. So option you can write 86 milliliter. Then B is 8006 milliliter and C is 800 milliliter. So 806 milliliter. Okay. The next one, in the month of August. In the month of August, we have how many days? 31 days. Okay. So you have to write A is 30 and B is 31 and C is 28. And 7th, 1 month equal to 4 weeks or 5 weeks you can write. So A is 4 and B is 5 and C is 6. And the 8th one is 900 paise is equal to rupees 9. About 7 days, 33, then 8 liter, 6. 1 month, how many days? One week, there was and then now the next one is 9th is is equal to dash. So you can write 1 by 4. So A is 1 by 4, B is 2 by 4 and C is 3 by 4. So this is 2 by 4 and the 10th one is half liter. So half liter is equal to 500 milliliter. So option is, what are the options here given is 100, 500 and C is 200. So these are the choose from the, for you 10 choose. And 1 month, 4 weeks. Okay. The next we'll move on to the match the following. So match the following, I'm going to write the straight answers only. So correct answer da kudukran, straight answer. You can write the match the following straight. So second Roman letter, match. Milliliter. So you can write ml. Then 750 milliliter na 3 by 4 liter. And third one is rupees 5. That is 500 paise. So we can change the number also can give. So you have to write 1 minute. How many seconds? 60 seconds. So 1 minute, 60 seconds. 1 hour, 60 minutes. 2 halves. 2 halves. 2 padina 1 by 2. Then 7th one, 3/4. 3/4 means 3 by 4. Then 8, 9 liter, 9,000 milliliter. 1 hour, 3,600 seconds. Okay, yeah. And then the 10th one is 1 week, 7 days. Okay, so these are the choose and the match I given. Now we will go on to the do the sums. Small sums I am going to give. So that also I will do with the answer. I will put everything. Okay, so copy down everything. So 10 match I gave. So from this only we are going to give this all. So go through this. Do the sum daily, children. Now the third Roman letter is do the sums. Do the sums. Convert rupees 850 into paise. So in the 850 இருக்கு இல்லையா, ஸோ இந்த ருப்பீஸை தான் நீங்கள் கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணணும். பைசே அப்படியே தான் இருக்கும். 1 ரூபிக்கு 100 பைசே. அப்போ 8 ரூபிக்கு எத்தனை பைசே? ஸோ 8 into 100 plus 100 paise plus 50 paise. So that is 8 into 100, 800 paise plus 50 paise. That is equal to 850 paise. This is the answer. Okay. So like this we have to do the step by step. Convert the following into rupees. Convert the following. into rupees. That is first one is 2075 paise. So convert this into paise. Paise la irukradha rupees ku change பண்ணுங்க. Can you understand? So in this money, if you want to change, you have to divide this by 100. So 2075 paise, that is paise. அப்போ என்ன பண்ணணும் is equal to 2075 divided by 100. அப்போ என்ன பண்ணுங்க 2075 by 100. ஸோ 100க்கு எத்தனை டிஜிட்ஸ் இருக்குது 2 digits. ஸோ 2 digitsல நீங்கள் இது பண்ணிங்கன்னா மேலே 2 digits வச்சுக்கோங்க. ஸோ இது ருபீஸ், இது பைசே, இது ருபீஸ், இது பைசே. கேன் யூ அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட்? ஈஸியாக டிவைட் பண்ணுறது எப்படின்னா 100க்கு 2 zeros இருக்கிறதால you can split like this. 2 zeros-க்கு 2 digits, பைசேக்கு 2 zeros இருக்கு இல்லையா, 2 digits மேலே தனியாக சென்டரில் கொடுக்கட்டுங்க 1 2. அப்போ this is rupees and this is paise. So answer is rupees 20 rupees 75 dot வச்சுட்டு 75 paise. Can you understand? And then the second sum also I gave B sum. In this second sum also I gave 800 paise. So நான் sum மேலே கொடுத்தாலும் நீங்கள் again one more time 800 paise is equal to 800 divided by 100. That is equal to 800 by 100. So 2 zeros-க்கு 2 digit எதுக்கு பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னா answer is rupees 8. இது வந்து rupees, இது வந்து paise. So பைசேல 0 0 இருக்கிறதால you can just write that 8 rupees. Then the third sum in rupees 1000. 1000ல how many rupees 500 notes எத்தனை இருக்குது? How many 500 notes are there? How many 500 notes are there? So we will say this. There are 2 500 notes. 2 500 notes. Okay, அதே மாதிரி how many 100 notes are there? How many rupees 100 notes are there? 100 notes எத்தனை இருக்குது? So how many 100 notes are there? 100 notes எத்தனை இருக்குது? 100 notes. Okay, yeah. Then the fourth one, shade the quarter portion of the following. Shade the quarter portion. So quarter portion na enna artham 1/4 4ல ஒரு பாதி. Shade the quarter portion of the following. So I'll give the pictures. So in the picture நான் கொடுத்துருவேன். நீங்கள் வந்து ஸோ ஒன்று நான் ஷேர் பண்ணி காமிக்கிறேன். 4 இருக்குது. குவார்ட்டர் மீன்ஸ் 1/4ன்னு அர்த்தம். ஸோ 4 பார்ட்டில் 1 பார்ட் ஷேட் பண்ணுங்கள். ஓகேயா? 4ல் 1 part. So these two you can do it by yourself. Then the next sum is write suitable fractions. Write suitable fractions. One by 4, 1/2. Okay. 1 by 4, 1 by 2 and 3 by 4. So this also அவங்க வந்து picture கொடுத்துருவாங்க. So you have to write which one is 1 by 4 and which one is 1 by 2 like that. Okay. And second sum. And third sum. One by 2. So அவங்க வந்து picture கொடுத்துட்டு diagram கொடுத்து shading also they will give. So you have to write in the picture 1 by 4, in the picture வந்து 1 by 2, in the picture வந்து 3 by 4 ன்றது you have to write. Okay. So here 3 pictures they are given. See 1, 2, 3, 4 lines இருக்கு. அதில் 1 part shade பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. So how many lines are there? 4 lines. அதுதான் denominatorல வந்து shaded portion is 1. So 1 by 4 should come here. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4 parts are there. 3 parts வந்து shade பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. So 3 by 4. Total parts எத்தனை இருக்கோ அது denominatorல போடணும். How many parts are shaded? That should be in the numerator. And then here 1, 2 parts. So 2 you put in the denominator and shaded வந்து 1 portion. So 1 by 2. So 1 by 4 இங்கே வரணும். 1 by 2 and 3 by 4. Can you understand? So அவங்க picture கொடுத்துருவாங்க, ஷேட் பண்ணி கொடுத்துருவாங்க. நீங்கள் இந்த பாக்ஸில் ஆன்சர் எழுதணும். Can you understand? Okay, now next we'll move on to the next sum. Subtract 500 from 895. ஸோ இவங்க வந்து 500 ஃப்ரம் 895னா இந்த 895 த பிக்கஸ்ட் நம்பர்லேருந்து தான் 500 மைனஸ் பண்ணணும். 500லேருந்து 895 மைனஸ் பண்ண முடியாது. Can you understand? This is the smallest number and this is the biggest number. So from 895னா 895லேருந்து தான் you have to minus it. So 5 minus 0 is 5. And 9 minus 0 is 9 and 8 minus 5 is 4. So put the minus sign. So answer is 495. Then the next one. Add the following. Add the following. So in this add the following. Rupees 28 rupees 50 paise, rupees 20 rupees 14 paise and rupees 41 rupees 32 paise. 6 and 9 plus 1 9 plus 2 8. So that is equal to rupees 89 rupees 96 paise. So take out and write answer. Sorry. எழுதிட்டு rupees symbol போடுங்க. 89 rupees 96 paise. Then read the sum. Priya bought 20 balloons. How many balloons? 20 balloons. If the cost of one balloon rupees 6, find the cost of 20 balloons. So you have to write the statement. Cost of one balloon is equal to rupees 6. Cost of how many balloons she is getting? 20 balloons. 20 balloons is equal to 20 into 6. Multiply பண்ணுங்க. 6 zeros are 0, 6 twos are 12. So that is rupees 120. Okay. Then ninth sum. Ninth sum. Complete the following. Complete the following. So in this complete the following, you can write 6 liter plus 800 milliliter is equal to dash milliliter plus dash milliliter is equal to dash milliliter. Then the second sum, 3 liter plus 735 milliliter is equal to plus dash milliliter. So that is 6 liter milliliter means 6000 milliliter plus 800 milliliter, that is equal to 6800. And here also 3 liter means 3000 and here 735. So 3735 milliliter. Like this you have to write. And then 12th sum. So 10th sum. Change into milliliter. Okay, change into milliliter ml now. So first sum is 8000 milliliter, that is equal to 8 liter. Then second sum 9000 milliliter, that is equal to 9 liter. Eppina 8000 divided by 1000. So 3 zeros cancels panna 8 liter. Adhe mari 9000 idu rough column la potu parunga, that is equal to 9 liter. Okay. Then add 63 liter, 830 milliliter and 14 liter 175 milliliter. Okay, so you can write liter and milliliter pudunga, and then here 63, 830, 14 and 175, and put the plus sign also. 0 plus 5 is 5, 3 plus 7 10, carry over 1, 8, 9, 10, carry over 1, 3, 4 plus 4, 8, and 6 plus 1, 7. So the answer is 78 liter 5 milliliter. You should not put 005. Okay. And now estimate to nearest 1 rupee. Estimate to nearest 1 rupee. 12th sum. Nearest to 1 rupee ke ninge estimation eludano. Okay ya. Estimate to nearest 1 rupee. First sum is 27 rupees 60 paise. Then second sum is rupees 12 rupees 30 paise. So in the paise 50 paise ke mala irundha you can write rupees 28. 27 oda one add panna 28. Idu 50 paise ke keele irukadala you can write as it is rupees 12. This is the nearest 1 rupee. Next one. Okay children, so after this we will do the sums. Next we will continue in the next class children. Thank you.